everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be taking you guys through my night routine. And just a little disclaimer, I really don't have like an elaborate or fancy night routine. It's very simple, and that being said, there's just like not a lot to this video, but you guys have been asking for it, so I tried to make it like as interesting as possible, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any other video requests, let me know, especially since back to school season is upon us. You guys can leave me a comment, DM me on Instagram, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and get right on into it. So my night routine usually starts when I get home from work. I work at a local dance store, for those of you who don't know. So during the weekdays, I'm usually off around 7, and then the weekends, I'm off around 5. And I obviously don't head straight home every single night, but during the weekdays, I definitely do. So I just went into my room, I dropped my stuff off, and then I will change into some workout clothes. I try to work out every other day, but obviously that doesn't always happen, but that's my goal. So I threw my hair up into a ponytail, grabbed a glass of water, and then I headed downstairs to start my workout. So I obviously don't do the same workout every night, but this night I was on my own, which I don't normally do. I prefer to watch workout videos, so like Jillian Michaels. I really love Pop Sugars as well as Tone It Ups, so it's just kind of whatever I'm feeling. But yeah, tonight I was on my own, so I did some warm-ups, some leg moves, I did some ab stuff. My two areas that I'm really trying to work on are my abs and my arms, and then like my legs and butt are kind of secondary, and I'm also trying to do a little bit more cardio because I honestly feel like I can notice a difference when I do a lot more cardio. I am just more toned overall. But yeah, this is kind of what my workout looks like. I do have a workout video, which I'll link down below if you guys are interested. But again, it changes every single night. But these are just some of my favorite moves that I choose to do on more of a regular basis. So once I finished, I went up to the bathroom to take off my makeup and to shower, and tonight I actually washed my hair, and I just bought this new shampoo. It's Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy, which was recommended to like help strengthen and calm down your hair because my hair has been really frizzy. So yeah, I washed my hair, my face, my body, and then here I'm just moisturizing. I use the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. I really like it. And then tonight I just made some popcorn and washed some grapes up, and my dad and I watched a movie, Secret Life of Walter Mitty.
What am I going to say?
What you just said.
Anyone that's been to Iceland will totally understand this clip.
Eigevallen jogel. Eigevallen. Excuse me? Eigevallen.
Oh my god.
What?
So we watched that movie because it takes place in Iceland, and we had just gotten back from Iceland, and I actually saw the shirt that he's wearing in a store and literally laughed out loud. It was so funny because we had such a difficult time pronouncing Icelandic words, and then we saw that scene in the movie and it was just perfect. So yeah, I made myself a cup of French vanilla decaf coffee, and then I was just kind of working on my computer for the night, and then I just went to bed. I'm usually in bed like 10:30 or 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty simple and straightforward, but I still hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I really don't have much to say, so just be sure you guys subscribe if you like my videos. You guys can follow me on Instagram and also Dote. I'm super excited. This is the first time I've talked about it, but I'm an official Dote creator, which is super exciting because all of like the gals that I watch are Dote gals, and so it just looks like so much fun to be a part of. So I'm really thankful and just like super stoked to be a part of Dote. So I'll have them linked down below. There's also a $5 off coupon that I'll have in the description box, so you guys can get $5 off your order, which is awesome. They have so many things on there, and so when I'm bored I just create lots of lists of things like that I want to get for college or for the fall. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna close this video off here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye!